Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial overhead with Intuit step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial overhead. Identify all fixed and variable costs associated with your business. Categorize these expenses to understand which ones are essential and which are discretionary. Next, explore how Intuit products can help you manage these expenses effectively. Begin with QuickBooks to track and monitor your financial transactions in real time. Connect your bank accounts to QuickBooks for automatic updates on your income and expenses. Use QuickBooks reporting features to analyze your spending patterns. This will help you pinpoint areas where you can cut costs. Consider using Intuit's payroll service to streamline your employee payment process. This can reduce costs associated with manual payroll processing errors and time. Evaluate your invoicing processes with Intuit's invoicing features. Automate invoicing to ensure timely payments and reduce overdue accounts. Look into Intuit's budgeting tools to create a more structured financial plan. Set clear financial goals and allocate your budget accordingly. Utilize the expense tracking features to categorize and monitor spending regularly. This will help you stay within budget and identify unnecessary expenses. If applicable, consider using Intuit's tax software to simplify tax preparation costs. This can reduce the need for expensive accounting consultations. Stay informed by regularly reviewing your financial reports generated through Intuit. This keeps you aware of any changes in financial overhead and allows for timely adjustments. Encourage collaboration within your team using Intuit's shared access features. This can enhance transparency and accountability regarding financial decisions. Finally, revisit your financial strategy every few months to ensure ongoing efficiency. Regular assessments will allow you to adapt and reduce financial overhead as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.